Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to apply cream to your own back. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So if you want to apply cream to your own back, this is the video for you. I have some cream over here, and I'm not going to be actually applying it to my own back, but I do it all the time, so I figured that I'd show you how to do it, okay? So let's get into this. So there are basically, I like to call them like 6 simple steps for applying cream to your back, whether it's like sunscreen, moisturizer cream, any type of like medical cream, anything at all, really, whatever cream you're applying to your own back, that's your own prerogative. And yeah, this is how to do it. So the first step is putting the cream on both of your hands, but don't put it on the palms of your hands. Put it on the tops of your hands. I'll tell you why. You're going to put it on the tops of your hands. Make sure you can see, yeah. So you put it on the tops of your hands, okay? Once you have cream on both of the tops of your hands, you're going to take your hands, and your right hand is going to go and do your lower back, and all the way up to your middle back on your right side over here, okay? And then your left hand is going to go and do your left lower back and all the way up to your left middle back over here, okay? Now the reason I say put it on the tops of your hands is because you can't really get as much coverage when you use the palms of your hands, right? So the tops of your hands let you flex even more like that, okay? Because of the rotation of your shoulders. I mean, I don't know the muscle mechanics behind it, but all I know is if I was to use the palms, I can only go like this, but I switch to the tops, and all of a sudden I go a bit higher, okay? So you've now done the first 2 steps. You've covered your lower and almost your middle back on both sides, okay? Next thing is that you're going to apply cream to the palms of your hands, okay? And your right hand is going to go across here, okay? And cover this area of your back right over here, okay? On the left side. And then your left hand is going to go across here and cover this area of your back right here on your right side, okay? Very simple. Next up, you're going to get a little bit more cream put on the palms of your hands. Your right hand is going to go over and cover your left upper back, okay, like that, over the shoulder. And then your left hand is going to go over and cover the right upper back, over the shoulder. And that's basically, you basically covered your whole back as much as you possibly could with those simple steps. And that's it. That is how to apply cream to your own back. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's really, really that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.